Headlines of 24th August 2021, Tuesday. Today's news is brought by Arjun Shankar from Chelsea. COVID. Minister Veena George calls for extreme caution in next 4 weeks. Emergency review today. Keralites gulp down rupees 750 crores worth of liquor during Onam. Rescheduled following technical snag. Air India flight leaves Kochi for luncheon. Telangana government gives not to reopen schools and colleges for classes from September 1st. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announces raise 6 lakh crores asset monetization pipeline. Chief Minister Nitish-led all-party team from Bihar meets Prime Minister for cash census. Israel strikes on Gaza. High-rises may be war crimes. Human Rights Watch. Afghanistan. Taliban says that the extension for foreign troops is red line. Pfizer booster significantly lower risk of COVID-19 infection among elderly. Israeli data shows. By this, we wind up today. It's me, Arjun Shankar, signing off. Thank you and have a nice day.